to our weather. That's something we're all keeping an eye on, but not more than Matt Farrell.
He's been watching it for days.
Yeah, you're the #1 guy.
Well, you know, like Bailey said, I have been watching it for several days now. We had a feeling that today was going to be a little bit of a miss on the rain, and that's exactly what happened. It stayed mainly to our west and to our north there in parts of North Texas. For us, though, cloudy. A few showers this morning, a couple of showers still kind of streaming across some of our eastern counties right now, but for the most part, just a cloudy, humid day. 79 feels like 81 out there right now. Northwest winds at 7. So you can see the northwest direction. That's that front that came through. That's what sparked a lot of that weather for today. And that front isn't going anywhere. It's just going to kind of oscillate back and forth between here and North Texas over the next several days. So that means multiple rounds of showers and storms as that front continues to be that focal point for that storm development. Let's take a look here at the overnight hours, because the overnight hours, that's going to be our next potential round. But again, much like last night, starts to our west, moves southwest to northeast, kind of skirts central Texas just a little bit. Might see some activity there, sneak into Hamilton County, Mills County as we head towards tomorrow morning right around daybreak. After that, again, North Texas probably going to get hit with some more severe weather tomorrow morning. For us, I think we see a lot of what we saw today, only this time we might see some embedded thunderstorms, some of which could be on the stronger side, so we'll keep an eye on that, of course. But again, a little bit more widespread than today, and we definitely need the rain, so let's hope that does come to fruition. In terms of the overnight time period, this is 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. Again, that slight risk in effect for most of us. Enhanced risk primarily to our north, but you can see they've marked off parts of northern central Texas for that enhanced risk as well, but most of us under that slight to marginal risk for central Texas. So we'll keep an eye on that. Gusty winds, large hail would be the primary threats in the overnight hours. Here's that activity I just showed you for tomorrow morning. Lasts through midday, much like it did today, before finally kind of moving out. We get another break as we head towards tomorrow evening, much like we're seeing right now. Tomorrow, in a lot of ways, a carbon copy of what we saw today. So if you enjoyed today's weather, then you're going to enjoy tomorrow's weather. That's for sure. Heading towards Friday, again, these storm systems keep try saying keep kicking off a few times fast. We'll continue to start off to our west there in the overnight hours once again for your Friday morning. And again, for us, again, scattered showers in the overnights. But our best chance for widespread rain actually moves in on Friday, and it's going to last from Friday to Saturday. So our totals we get for the week, most of that will come from Friday and Saturday. But again, that Thursday morning through early afternoon time period, slight risk there for some potentially large hail and gusty winds. Once again, tornado threat is not zero, but it is very low for each of these rounds, so keep that in mind. For Friday, again, best chance for widespread rain stays with us through the afternoon hours. We get a little bit of a lull in the activity, but then as we head towards Friday night, some stronger storms developing across parts of central Texas there in the Friday evening through Friday night time frame, and it stays with us into the overnight hours. You can see here we are at midnight, and this is where we're expecting some of our strongest and heaviest rain as we head through Friday night into Saturday morning. This is going to be our best chance not only for that rain, but it's also going to be our best chance for any severe weather as this line moves through pre-dawn on Saturday morning. Once it does that, though, we're going to start to see things clearing out, and by the time we get to about noon on Saturday, we could have some lingering showers and thunderstorms, but for the most part, it's moving off to the east, and we have some significantly different weather to talk about for next week. But for that Friday night through Saturday morning time frame, again, slight risk for severe weather, so each of these rounds that I've shown you, yes, has the opportunity to bring us large hail and gusty winds, so keep that in mind. And as a matter of fact, for Saturday, a little bit of a risk for our eastern counties, but for the most part, it moves off to the east as the storms continue off in that direction as well. In terms of rain totals, again, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches for our southern communities, 1.5 inches to 2 inches for our central communities, 2 to 3 inches there if you're in northern parts of central Texas. So some good rainfall that we absolutely need. But again, as the rain comes, we have to talk about the potential for severe weather over the next couple of days with each round. That's why we have weather impact alert days marked off Thursday, Friday, and that first part of Saturday. But after that, very different. Sunny weather, 60s return Sunday and Monday, and we start warming up towards the middle of next week. Remember to keep up with your forecasts anytime you need it. You can download our 6 Plus app on your smart TV and watch us there